All right, so here's the solution to our problem with the age checker. Now I know that it gave us some starter code. As you can see right here with the const age equals, and then it's going to receive some sort of input from the web browser. For right now, I'm going to move this to its own separate line, and I'm just going to comment it out. For now, I'm going to hard code in a value, and I'm going to choose 10. And that way we can kind of test out these scenarios. So if the age is less than 18, we want to display you're underage. And likewise, if you're between 18 and 65, you're an adult. And if your age is greater than 65, display you're a senior citizen. So all of these deal with if statements or conditionals. And the very first if statement that we want is we want to choose. Are we less than 18? So we can say if, and inside the parenthesis here, we can say age is less than 18. Then we're going to log to our console, you are underage. Now we need to keep on checking this, because if we're not under the age of 18, then we want to keep on moving along in our conditional. We're going to go ahead and check for the else using an else if statement. And we're going to check if we're greater than 65. So we're going to say if the age is greater than 65, and we can log to our console, you are a senior citizen. And then our very last case is going to be our else, which is 18 and 65. So we have successfully covered all the cases by just putting in these two right here. And so we can say else log to our console, you're an adult. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. I'm going to use my Code Runner application that I should have installed. And I'm going to hit the play button, and we see that you are underage. If I change this to 20, save it, run it, you're an adult. Now, if I do 68 and save it, you are a senior citizen. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what this would be if we were to prompt the user like we were originally tasked. For this, I'm going to head over to JS Fiddle to test this out. So I'm over in JS Fiddle right now, and I just simply copy and pasted the code that you saw in our Visual Studio Code. So instead of hard coding in the value here, let's go ahead and apply the parsed int and then the prompt. The way that this is going to work when we hit the play button, we'll see a prompt up here in the window will pop up. And it's going to take the value that we typed in there and convert it into a number. And that's how we're going to be able to compare and contrast using our if statement logic that we built earlier. So let's go ahead and run this. Enter your age. We're going to say 15. I'm going to hit OK. And let's take a look at the console. You are underage. It seems to work. If you don't like seeing it in the console log, you can always change these to alert statements by simply typing alert instead of log to our console. Again, this only works in the browser. And this does not work in our Visual Studio Code using the alert statements. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Once again, my name is Marcus with Pre-Code Camp, and have a great day.